Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download or install the Exodus Wallet app on your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure your internet is connected to a secure internet connection. And let's head towards the App Store, which is a familiar blue icon app with the A on it. In the search bar above, you can just type in the keyword Exodus Wallet. After hitting the search button, you can find various options here, but we will click the first one, an official app by the Exodus Crypto Bitcoin Wallet. Let's click Get to start the download process. And if you are downloading it for the first time, it will ask for your ID verification. Verify your identity either with the Touch ID or the Face ID, and it will begin the download process. You can see the progress bar, and as for your internet speed, it will download soon. And after the progress bar turns into the Open button, you can just click Open the app. You can explore the app by yourself, but for now, I have to go. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days. Make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.